Hello students, this is Mr. Carpenter. I apologize about the lateness of the hour. I just finished up your test for tomorrow. I had some things that were very pressing for me today to take care of. One, I had to get my glasses replaced. My dog decided to chew on mine last night. Second part just had other things come up that I didn't expect to take this long. And so anyway, here is your test for tomorrow. I'm letting you see all of it. Okay, I'm letting you let you see all of them. All right, so question 1. I have x squared minus 5x minus 24. Okay, so I am looking for what are my factors. If I multiply, I get a negative 24. Combine, I get a negative 5. Now, if the c part of this is negative, then I know the larger sign carries the sign of b. So here we go. There's the larger sign of b in all of them. So this is the one that's going to equal back to negative 5. So I take x minus 8 and x plus 3. So now when I flip these, okay, because again, I'm looking to solve. I'm not looking to factor. I'm looking to solve. So my answers are 8 and negative 3. Now, here are the rest of the problems on 1 through 12. I'm letting you see them. Take a look at them. All right. If you come and ask for my help in the morning, I'll be at the back door of the cafeteria, and you can come in, sit down at the table. I'll be glad to help you out. Then, if we take a look at number 14, and so the next, I think, 5 or 6 are advanced factoring, to where, what do I do? Okay, if I multiply, all right, I can't factor this out immediately because this is not a 1. So I have to go through my 4-step process, which is, first one is a times c. Take the first number times the last. So r squared plus 21 minus 72. Then I have to factor it as usual. So what are my factors? If I multiply, I get a negative 72. Combine, I get a positive 21. Again, if this number is negative, then my larger factor gets the sign of b. That's this number right here. So the only one that matches up is a positive 24 and a negative 3. So then I factor it, r plus 24, r minus 3. Then the easiest step, all I got to do is put my a, this number right here, back in front of my variables, my x's, whatever they are. Then I have to go through and ask, can a number be factored out of everything? And yes, it can. I can factor out a 3. So when I divide everything by 3, that leaves me with 2r plus 8 and 2r minus 1. Then I have to reduce, all right? So when I reduce, all right, that I can divide by 2, so that's going to be r plus 4. This doesn't change. So then I have to set these up equal to 0. So this is going to be r plus 4, which is negative 4. And then this is going to be a positive 1/2. So my answers are negative 4 and 1/2. So the answer is D, okay, for number 14. All right, that also takes care of 15 and 16, 17, and 18. Okay, and then I've got multiplying, okay, by I. And so we make our Punnett square over here, where we have 7 goes here, 7i goes here, 5, negative 8i. Then multiply, 5 times 7, 35. 5 times 7i, 35i. Negative 8i times 7, negative 56i. Negative 8i times 7, negative 56i squared. Remember, I squared is equal to negative 1. So I take negative 1, okay, times the negative 56. That gives me a positive 56. So then I combine my opposite squares. So 35 plus 56, 91. Negative 56i plus 35, negative 21i. All right, now, the next part is just being able to graph in vertex form. I just want you to be able to see what vertex form is. That is where, okay, we're going to take the opposite, okay, hang on just 1 second, all right, because we've got to look at these and see which ones match up. Now, my number outside of here determines whether it opens up or down, if it's negative or positive. Now, imagine there's a 1 here, so it's negative. So I know that this one is going to open down. Okay, then I'm looking for a positive 1 because I take the opposite of this, whatever this number is, positive 1 for x, positive 1, and a negative 4. Negative 4 right here. And so my answer is D. And then we see the axis of symmetry is negative 1. Okay, and I'm not going to ask you to do, or 1. I'm sorry, x is equal to 1. So anyway, because in an axis of symmetry, okay, whatever the opposite of this number is when this is in vertex form, sorry, this keeps going out of focus. Whatever the opposite of this number is inside the parentheses is my axis of symmetry. And so that's for 24, okay, right there. 25 right there. 26, okay, we've already worked out. 27, all right, and we know 27 is D. And then 28 is this, 29 is this. Okay, and then the back 3 right here. Now, these are worth 5 points each, okay? You're going to turn these in at the end of class, and I will grade based on also what you did on everything else. But this is a free answer. Now, if you want to know how to work these, come and see me tomorrow. Okay, I'll be at the back table starting at around 6:55. You can come in, get your questions answered, okay, and come and see me. Hope you do well on it. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.